Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the dryer blower cover plate seal. The reason why we do this is because the seal is damaged or worn, and you're getting hot air and lint coming out of the drum. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4 inch nut driver and a putty knife. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. This is our dryer model. It's a Kenmore. Now keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. And the next thing we're going to do is remove the 2 screws holding the lower access panel on. Once those screws are off, you just take your panel, pull down on it just a little bit, and it comes right out. Now, I want to just remove the filter here. We don't need that in there right now. It's just going to get in our way. And now, we're going to remove the screws off of this. Should be 4 in total. As you're removing this last screw, just make sure you're holding onto the panel so it doesn't fall on you. So this is the seal we're going to replace. It's got a couple of bad spots on it, so we're going to want to replace that. And we can start by peeling this off here. And just to make it a little bit easier, I've got a putty knife, and I'm just going to scrape it all off. Now we've got everything scraped off and cleaned off as best as we can, so we're going to grab our new part. This is our new OEM replacement seal. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. Alright, so we're just going to undo the backing for this. And that'll expose the sticky tape. And we can just start right from here and just go right around. Overlap it right here. And just press down on everything and make sure it's stuck real good. And then, as long as you're sure everything's on there nice and tight there, we can put our housing back on there. Now we'll put the fan cover back on. And just make sure you line up those holes and then screw it all back in. Now you can grab your lower access panel and we'll put that back into place. There we go. And now we can screw it all back in. And now we can put the filter back in. Close that door again, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.